make yellow, color yellow, and then press the rotary knob to confirm the settings you want to change. Tidal volume set 500. Your frequency. Some machines if you want to set the rate, it is called rate RR, or some machines like Evita, it's called frequency. Frequency and F and RR is the same. Frequency and rate. Usually 12. 5P. And your pressure support is always set above your peak. So make it 7. Your pressure support is never set below your peak. Always above your peak. You have additional settings. Your auto flow trigger. You can see your patient's parameter here. This is the one coming from your patient. And this is the slope. If somebody can read the waves of the breathing. And you have your sensor parameter. This side is all your settings, your alarm limit. If you have alarms, you can set the high and low alarms. For your airway pressure, only high alarm. Your inspiratory tidal volume, high alarm only. Your spontaneous spontaneous RR, and your apnea, trigger apnea. Only high. Only for the minute ventilation, you can set the low and high alarm. This is where you check your sensors, if it is working or not. If there is an alarm, NeoFlow sensor, calibrate. So press your alarm sensor and choose if it's flow, oxygen, and if you connect the NeoFlow sensor, one parameter will come here, NeoFlow. So just start, press, and calibrate. System setup is for your biomed. Here, you can choose what is in your screen. You can press this one. It will change the view of your machine, the presentation of your machine. For your special procedure, inspiratory hold is used for your, if patient, you need to do x-ray. And you have, sometimes when we're doing x-ray, they're asking you to do breath holding. So this is the same use for them. And you can use your nebulizer. Built-in nebulizer. Your nebulizer is always in your inspiratory limb, but I don't recommend to put this one alatol here continuously, because this one is very heavy, and if your patient is on tube,
it will be ten.
Yes. Matanggal ba? Hirap kasi ng iba. Yes. So, after nebulization, remove this one clean, keep it tidy, and put on patient's bedside. I told the ICU staff, you can use this one for nebulization. You have your knob here for nebulization, but I prefer na you use your wall outlet for nebulization. You can use your humidifier or your portable tank or your adapter if you have adapter. I already told how to make the adapter for the ICU nurses. You can make your. So this is your test lab. Question for your Evita. Your Evita is adult, pediatric, and neonatal. Your Savina is for adult only, and that one is only volume control. Walang pressure yan, kaya adult lang. Halika dito sa Diana, Prius.
No, kasi if the surveyor will ask for the Prius check, everybody
Halika, ituro mo sa kanila. Halika dito. Halika dito. Teach, halika dito. Halika dito.
Teach us. So the surveyor will
Huwag niyo akong tatawagin.
Sulat ka?
Mag-freeze ka na.
Video?
Make sure it is under the standby mode.
Purpose ng pre-use check is to check your tubing, your oxygen, your flow sensors. If your machine is working, your whole machine is working.
Ano?
Device check. Ano yun, guys? Device check.
Device check. Okay, first.
I press check and then device check.
Device check.
First check.
If you will do your device check, there is a what is this? Instruction for you to follow. You cannot do pre-use check when you are not in your standby mode. Always you should be in your standby mode. Never to make pre-use check during if patient is hooked on your mechanical ventilator. Never. Press this check. Yes. And device check. So if you press this one, check rotary knob, it will automatically check all the exhalation valve, if it's working, flow sensor, neo flow, humidification, function, air, oxygen, switch over valve. You have to remove and connect again the oxygen, the safety valve, and your oxygen flow sensor is inside your machine. Only the biomed is installing this one. So it calibrates your flow sensor, neo flow, oxygen sensor, the alarms, the supply pressure, if it's enough. So that is your device check. May instructions naman siya eh. There is instruction how you will do the device check.
How we will know that it is already functioning? There will be something so that it's
Yes, it
passing.
will check. It will show check. If it's not pass, it will show F, failed. So call your biomed to check it. Malinaw.
So lahat yan ma'am nakapass naman.
Na-check naman ito. Except yung auto sensor, calibration of auto sensor. This one is showing failed because the sensor is not yet installed inside. Because your oxygen sensor has buhay, 1 year expiry date, 1 year on year. Then you have to change again the auto sensor. Press check and then
Standby check, device